Alright, so this is a brief instructional video on how to set up WTJU's live remote kit. I apologize, it's going to be pretty shaky because I'm using my iPhone. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. So I'm going to go over real quick what we have here in this remote kit. We have a little mixer. The station has a 4-channel mixer, which this is, a 6-channel mixer, and an 8-channel mixer, but they all work pretty much the same way. We have a laptop, which is running Linux. This is a very key piece of the system. In this case, we have some Earthworks microphones. In other cases, you would use RE20s or other types of cabling. Mic stand, an XLR cable, and another important component, the USB cable. So I've already taken the liberty of plugging in the mixer and the laptop, and also plugging in the Ethernet to the laptop. I'm assuming you all know how to do all those things. So first thing we're going to do here is plug the USB cable into the back of there, the back of the mixer, and then put the other one into the side of the laptop. There we go. Alright, now let's power everything on. So power button is here, and the laptop. Okay. While the laptop powers up, let's go ahead and get the Earthworks mic set up here. Now, for the shows that we're doing at the Tom Tom Festival, from the T-Bazaar, and also from, alright, I need 2 hands, from the T-Bazaar, and also from Random Row, we're going to be using these omnidirectional condenser mics. I'll show you one thing about that here in a minute. Let's go ahead and just screw it onto this little desktop stand, just to show you how that works. Pretty simple. You screw it on. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Alright. And then you plug it in, connect it via XLR cable. So XLR. Goes there. Now, there are 2 mic inputs here. Again, XLR on the other side. Now, because this is a condenser microphone, we have to use something called phantom power. There's a little button for that right here. Go ahead and push that down and make sure it's on there. So now you'll see my voice, because I am talking into the microphone. It's picking me up right there and running into the mixer. Okay. So we have a signal. We are ready to turn this into a web stream. So go to the desktop here. There's a program called StreamBeam. I'll get that going. StreamBeam has a couple things here to look at. The instructions are there if you need them. The main thing is make sure that web service OK and stream relay OK. If those buttons are both green, then we are good to go. You need to switch the audio source to USB audio codec. That's your mixer. And then when you're ready to stream, you simply hit stream. And now it is streaming remote.mp3 and remote.ogg. And right now, whatever is going into this microphone through the mixer is being routed to the computer, streaming out to WTJU's web server, and ready to play on the air. And that is all there is to it. Now, a couple things. If you are not connected to the internet for some reason, it will show you down here, it'll be a different icon that does not show 2 computers connected. It shows a red X instead. That would be a problem. But I've tested it from all the sites we're doing, and we should be good to go there. When you want to turn off the stream, you can either just close the computer or hit break. That will turn the stream red, the stream button red. The bit rate you can select. If you're having connection problems and occasional dropouts, you could go down to 96. Any lower than that obviously would be a big problem in terms of audio quality. If you're on a crackerjack connection, you think you can really pull it off, 192 or 256 are also options. That's the streaming bit rate, so how much data is being pushed out at once. That's pretty much it. If you are doing a different kind of remote where you're coming off of a soundboard at a concert, then you would probably route into either line in 3 and 4 or line in 1, 2, take your pick. You can do some panning on either of those. Here's your main mix, so this controls the master. I can turn that down, it'll turn off everything. Obviously there's also, faders for each channel as well. That's about it. If you have any questions, let me know.